My hair, I'm just done with it.
This is crazy.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's the day that I want to remove my hair. So I'm making this video for all the people who have asked me, oh, how is it hooked in? Comment t'as fait pour accrocher tes cheveux? Did you just dye your real hair? This will give you some insight into how it's been placed in my hair. But this video is just gonna be me taking it out to show you that my hair is underneath my real hair, and let's begin. Okay, so as I've said, this hair is crochet braids. So what I need to do is cut the braids here. You can see there's like hair here and then braids here. So where I'm gonna cut is right above it, with like, you know, hair scissors. So there you go. And I'm basically gonna do my entire head like this. I could cut off like a big chunk like this and then cut again, just to show you. So you can see there's a row for each, and I just have to either cut really close and pull. So I'll show you. Just pull it at the roots and it comes out. That's it. So the white stuff is actually dirt powder, cream, all of the stuff that we put in our hair. We don't put dirt in our hair, but because I kept these in way too long. That's basically it. So yeah, I definitely kept these ones in too long because you could see all of the buildup from the cream that's in my hair and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll show you the end result. Hi, so we're back and this is the final look. So this is how my hair has been the whole time that the extensions have been in. If you haven't seen the video of how I make my smoothie, go watch that because it's freaking awesome. Okay, so you can see there are rows of hair. Basically, the look that you'll get, I'll turn slowly, will depend on the way and the pattern that you braid your hair in. So you can see up here, it's like a big one somewhere. This one. You can see. So I braided all of this first and then I put the hair in. So that's the end result. I'm probably gonna make another video about what I'm gonna do to fix my hair or to change it, but first I'm gonna start by washing because it is like crazy dirty. I washed in between during the semester like this with like soap and a rag, but definitely did not get these sections because they were covered by the extensions. So I was gonna end the video there, but then when I started taking it out and I realized how long my hair got, I had to show you guys this. This is crazy. It got so long. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Well, that's the final look, guys. I just want to show you guys this one last thing. All of this hair was on my head. This is the end of it. Thanks for watching. If you liked and found this video informative and educational, please like the video. All of the likes count. I'm a like whore. Alright, bye.